Hello, this is my elevator pitch for my business in small business creation, Business 283, B283. I plan on selling Unicorn Beetle cell phone cases. These Unicorn Beetle cell phone cases are very durable and they're specifically for the iPhone 7. The iPhone 7 is a popular model among Apple fans and users, and I plan on selling them on eBay.com, as that is a platform that I know many users who buy Apple products go to for their accessories. Also, I plan on having suppliers who can deliver the Unicorn Beetle cell phone cases at a much lower price, and because of that lower price, I'm able to have a low price when I sell them on eBay, and so that I can turn a profit on eBay, even still selling them at a fair but lower price. And that way I can be the seller that these buyers go to, and over the other sellers that are on the eBay marketplace already. And that'll be how I'll maintain a competitive advantage, is simply by having a lower price while still selling brand new cell phone cases to iPhone users.